By the end of this lecture, you will be able to define solid wastes, identify types of solid wastes, understand the health hazards of solid wastes, and finally understand methods of disposal of solid wastes. A solid waste is defined as garbage, refuse, sludge, or other discarded material, included solids, semi-solids, liquids, and contained gaseous materials. Solid wastes can either be hazardous or non-hazardous waste. A waste is hazardous if it is flammable or ignitable, corrosive, reactive or explosive, or if it is toxic. Ignitability means that a liquid is capable of burning or causing fire, for example, paints, gasoline, and furniture polish. Corrosivity means that a liquid is capable of corroding metals and burning human tissue on contact, for example, alkaline cleaners and acids. Reactivity means that a chemical is capable of reacting with other chemicals in air or water, causing an explosion or release of poisonous fumes. For example, chlorine. Many people have been injured in their homes by mixing chlorine bleach and ammonia when cleaning. Toxic wastes are harmful or fatal when ingested or inhaled. For example, heavy metals as lead and mercury. When toxic wastes are disposed on land, they can leak through the ground and pollute the groundwater. So, what do you think could be the health hazards of solid wastes? Solid waste decomposes and favors fly breeding. It also attracts rodents. Accordingly, pathogens may be conveyed to man's food through these flies and rodents. Possibility of water and soil pollution is present. Nuisance and unsightly appearance are also bad effects. To avoid all these health hazards, we should properly dispose solid wastes. Methods of disposal of solid waste include dumping, controlled sanitary landfill, incineration, composting, and burial. In dumping, refuse are dumped in low-lying areas. This is an easy method of disposal of dry refuse. As a result of bacterial action, refuse decreases considerably in volume and is gradually converted into humus, which is the organic component of soil. But we should ask ourselves, is this a good method? Is it satisfactory? The answer is no. Controlled sanitary landfill is the most satisfactory method of refuse disposal where suitable land is available. It differs from ordinary dumping in that the material is placed in a trench or other prepared area, adequately compacted and covered with earth at the end of the working day. But what if suitable land is not available? Incineration is the method of choice where suitable land is not available. Here, refuse can be disposed hygienically by burning or incineration. Hospital refuse is best disposed by this method. Composting is a process of nature where organic matter breaks down under bacterial action, resulting in the formation of relatively stable humus-like material called composite. The principal byproducts are carbon dioxide, water, and heat. The heat produced destroy eggs and larvae of flies, weed seeds, and pathogenic agents. Burial is the last method of solid waste disposal. It is suitable for small camps. A wide and deep trench is constructed, and at the end of each day, the refuse is covered with 20 to 30 centimeters of earth. The contents may be taken out after 4 to 6 months and used on the field.